So this is slightly just after the idle and rev video, but update on the bike. I got my 340 piece Honda bolt nut kit. It came with every single part except the subframe bolt. What did I need? Because the one on this side is gacked, done. But found those on motorsport.com, where I got the pivot bearing or pivot works stuff from. But found those on there for 10 bucks, 2 bolts. So those will be here Wednesday. I did order the complete combo, $179. Comes with basically, actually it does come with everything to do this. Shock bearing, that's actually the only one that really needs to be done. It comes with also that, swing arm bushings and bearings. And then linkage rebuild kit. Now, I have never done this personally, so I'm hoping that my other riding buddy, known him for a while, Nick, we can tear this bad boy apart at his house, redo it. He has a pneumatic press. I have one, but doesn't have the compressed air hooked up to it and the fluids leaking out of it. It's just an old press. But worst comes to worst, I'll do it here, but I'd like to do it at his house. Get the bottom shock bolt replaced, which I think is like right there. Oh, right there. But just figured to use an update that I do have the parts are coming in. Also, fun little gifts are I'm finally ordered and they're shipped. Be here Wednesday. Nuclear red radiator shrouds. I ordered over $300 worth of parts for this bike. That is the most exciting thing for this bike right here. The shrouds, because I freaking love it. That is my favorite color ever for the Honda CR250 of the 90s. Nuclear red. I got nuclear red fender. Pretty sure these are nuke red. Yeah, because I got that pink whitish. Then I get the rear. Got the side panels, rear fender, front fender. I am so excited for those to come in. And at some point, I'm going to have to get a new gas tank because as you can see, bolts are stripped out. There's one over here, one on the back side of this. But later. That's like 240 bucks. But bike runs awesome. I'm super stoked. And I got those bearing kits and parts. I'm going to replace all the fasteners like these, all the trim bolts. My clutch, that. I don't know. I think that's just maybe normal or what, but you can see it's got a captive nut on the bottom. And over this side it does not. Different style, I guess. But I went to tighten it up yesterday and it broke. Let's see if I can find the bolt still. Nope, threw it away. Okay. Yeah, bolt snapped right in half. But red levers are coming also. I forgot the brand name, but I'll put them in the description. But red levers, the nice short ones like this that I love a lot. They're flat, they're not all rounded. Grips are on. I put the throttle grip on the left side and this side on that side, but whatever. This side doesn't move at all. Nice, good. This one's just barely. I mean, you can just barely feel the gaff tape. I took like the 200-mile-an-hour tape way over here. This stuff. And wrapped it around there like 3 times. Shoved it on there. It's not coming off. And I pulled it off the first time to try and redo it. Literally pulled it inside out. But so that's good. That's staying there. I want to get the actual suspension set up for me personally. But, you know, that's one day at a time thing. So for right now, get the bearings replaced and all the suspension. I'm going to just do them all. So I'm going to go do them again. Get the radiator shrouds on. Replace miscellaneous fasteners. And then maybe a fuel tank. But after that, bike is ripping. Got the levers coming as well. I want to stick with the 90s theme for the whole bike. Like even this pink Renthal, that is one of my favorite parts on the whole bike right there. But I don't know, I just love it. I need to get these ones. Found out there is left and right versions of these. That's what that tab is there for. Didn't know that. But I'll get new ones of those. Carb's still doing excellent. Got that on there, the rotor cover. But piece at a time, guys. One piece at a time. I'll check in when you get the shrouds on and the bearings replaced and all that good stuff. Y'all have a good day.